Question number 14. Which of the following is a factor of 4x squared minus 19x minus 5? To answer that, let's just factor this trinomial. And I will factor it by grouping. How do we do that again? We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 20. Why negative 20? Whatever number that multiplies to 4 times negative 5. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And two numbers that add up to negative 19. So what are those two numbers? Well, what numbers multiply to 20? We have 1 and 20. Let's forget the signal now. Let's forget that it's negative. 2 and 10. We have 4 and 5. Well, now note that they need to multiply to negative 20, so one of them needs to be positive and the other one needs to be negative. How about negative 20 and 1? Negative 20 plus 1, or 1 plus negative 20, is just negative 19. So this combination works, 1 and negative 20. So let's just split up the negative 19x into 1x minus 20x. Then I can bring down the minus 5 as well as the 4x squared. And we pair these numbers off and these also. Now, the GCF of 4x squared and 1x is just x. 4x squared divided by x is 4x. 1x divided by x is just 1. Minus 20x minus 5. Now we can factor out a GCF of minus 5. Minus 20x divided by minus 5 is just 4x. And minus 5 divided by minus 5, just 1. Okay, now, what do we do? We open two sets of parentheses. 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, that's the same, isn't it? That's a good thing. We can write it over here. Now, I can bring down the x and the minus 5. And we're done. So this is the fully factored form of the trinomial. X minus 5 times 4x plus 1. So the correct answer is A, 4x plus 1, which is one of the factors. And that's it for question number 14.